Think about it. The modern urban environment is no less than an active war zone. And to tackle such an intense environment, you need a tough backpack, which can take it all. In this video, we are looking at Tactical Backpack from Olive Planet, a 15-liter day pack for your everyday essentials. After 4 months of pushing this pack to its limit, it's time to see if it actually walks the tactical talk. We are dissecting it from outside in, exposing the performance hits, the daily misses, and the final verdict who this bag is actually for. You're watching Carry District, your one-stop destination for all things carry. I'm Vineet. Let's get started. Starting off with the front, three features stand out. First, the MOLLE webbing. You get 38 loops on the face alone, all made of high tensile nylon. Unlike the cheap polyester webbing on budget packs, this won't stretch or snap under heavy loads. Next are the dual compression straps. These wrap entire front to lock down internal load, but they also double as external anchors for a tripod, jacket, or yoga mat, effectively expanding that 15-liter capacity. These are paired with heavy-duty, shatter-resistant buckles. Finally, there's the 8x5 cm MOLLE panel. It's your ID zone for flats or patches. Rip and replace to change the bag's identity in seconds. The armor of this bag is 500D Cordura. It's the Goldilocks of fabrics, half the weight of traditional tactical nylon, but tough enough to shrug off rocks and concrete. While not explicitly listed, the exterior almost certainly has a DWR coating, as water beads up and rolls off like on a lotus leaf. If you look closely at the silhouette, you'll notice the bag tapers slightly, getting wider toward the top. This isn't just an aesthetic choice. By shifting the bulk of the volume and therefore the weight up toward your shoulder rather than your lower back, it keeps the center of gravity high. This mimics the natural V shape of the human torso, making a heavy load feel significantly lighter and more stable when you're on the move. Now for the trade-offs. There are no quick access pockets here, and with 18 more MOLLE loops on the sides, bringing the total to 56. You'll definitely notice the lack of a dedicated bottle holder. At the top, the main compartment features reverse zippers shielded by a strong flap for weather resistance. The zippers operate smoothly, but the pull tabs feel undersized. A paracord pull would have definitely improved the grip for anyone with larger hands. The grab handle is reinforced with Box X stitching for multi-directional strength. Sitting right below this is the hydration port. The back panel features ventilated mesh and high-density foam. It houses D-rings, a waist strap attachment, and J-curve shoulder straps that contour to your frame. The padding is lean, but that translates to better airflow and zero bulk. To lock it all in, the sternum strap pulls the J-curves inward, killing the back sway while you're on the move. Although dangle stoppers, like here on the compression straps, would have helped to keep the look clean. And at the very bottom, a drainage grommet. If a bladder leaks or you're caught in a monsoon, water drains out instantly instead of pulling inside and weighing you down. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a smooth polyester lining. Unlike the rugged exterior, this soft finish allows gear to slide in and out without snagging, provides an extra moisture barrier, and makes it easy to wipe clean after a spill. The main storage features a single sliding compartment. While it lacks dedicated padding, it's versatile. It fits 14-inch laptop drawer or a 13-inch laptop with a sleeve. I've been using it for my 11-inch tablet in a sleeve, which fits easily. Just keep in mind that a sleeved device eats into the main volume when the bag is fully stuffed. Retrieving items from this sleeve becomes a bit of a struggle. In terms of organization, this is a classic dump all design. There are no internal pockets or dividers. Combined with the dark lining, you might find yourself digging for a few extra seconds to find smaller gear at the bottom. For hydration, you have a primary fastening loop plus a high sheen paracord access. It's the perfect spot to dummy cord your keys or an EDC pouch for quick retrieval. Finally, the secret weapon, the polyurethane coating or PU coating. Think of this as the bag's internal raincoat. While the outer Cordura handles the abrasion, this inner shield ensures your electronics stay bone dry even in a heavy downpour. After daily driving this bag for 4 months, its biggest asset is its compactness. The narrow, tall silhouette is perfect for threading through crowded city streets or light travel spaces. But the real game changer is the MOLLE system. If you like minimal aesthetics, this might look busy, but for the utilitarian, it's a Lego block. Since I hate digging into main compartment for small items, I added a 4x4-inch pouch for my TWS, sanitizer and mints. This modularity allows me to reconfigure the bag for different missions, like attaching a dedicated EDC pouch for my torch and cables when switching from a commute to a day trip. Regarding comfort, the straps punch way above their weight. They use high-density low-profile foam that remains firm under load, distributes weight evenly, and doesn't trap heat like a thick sponge. Combined with the sternum strap, the bag stays locked to your center, which is a lifesaver during long walks with a full load. However, there are clear trade-offs. The lack of a bottle holder was my biggest hurdle. I tried a MOLLE compatible holder, but it was restricted to slim plastic bottles. My standard flask wouldn't fit, and the weight caused an annoying sway while walking. Putting the bottle inside wasn't an option either, as it ate up too much internal volume. The tall and narrow design is a double-edged sword. It's great for mobility, but it makes the 15-liter capacity feel tighter than advertised. Packing can feel like a puzzle, and as I mentioned, sliding a tablet bag into its slot when the bag is full is a genuine struggle. If that internal sleeve had its own padding to create a rigid barrier, it would have solved this. Finally, a note on durability. While the build is excellent, I have noticed some minor fraying around certain edges. It's nothing major, but something to keep an eye on if you're a perfectionist. One quirk I noticed: the back padding isn't quite edge to edge. There are small gaps on either side where the mesh doesn't fully meet the seams. In bright daylight, you can actually see the internal foam peeking through. If you have a bit of OCD like I do, it might bother you initially, though it doesn't affect the actual comfort or structure. Actual tactical grade materials like 500D Cordura, high tensile nylon webbing, heavy duty plastic buckle makes it a long time runner. Lifetime warranty at this price point is a big win, especially for a bag that can actually handle anything you throw at it. 56 MOLLE points allow for infinite customization. You build the bag you actually need. No quick access pockets or bottle holders out of the box. You have to spend more on pouches for basic organization. The narrow 15-liter tall profile can feel cramped and difficult to pack when at full capacity. It's a pure dumb design. Without any internal mesh pockets or dividers, your small items inevitably sink to the bottom, forcing you to dig through your entire loadout to find one piece of gear. So, who is the 15-liter Tactical Daypack from Olive Planet actually for? After 4 months, I've realized this isn't your standard out-of-the-box commuter bag. Let's be real about the space. Despite the 15-liter rating, the narrow profile means it actually struggles to pack as efficiently as something like the 10-liter daily objects pedal. If your daily carry revolves around a laptop or tablet, the internal friction in this bag will likely frustrate you. It's a much better experience when those electronics are left behind. The build quality is undoubtedly high tier, and the MOLLE loops are the real deal. They aren't just for show. They can handle genuine weight stress. However, the lack of a water bottle holder and zero quick access pockets will be a deal breaker for those who want instant convenience. The bottom line: buy it if you're a modularity geek. If you love the Lego experience of building your own system and want a bomb-proof companion for treks, city exploration, or rugged daily use, this is a steal. Pass on it if you want a seamless office-ready bag. If you need dedicated organization and hydration without buying extra pouches, look elsewhere. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Carry District for more reviews on gear that moves with you. I'm Vineet, And until next time, carry smart.